problems related to motion and gravity. Here's the first one. The best way to tackle problems is by representing what is given diagrammatically. Let's assume this is the ground and this is the height from which the ball is dropped. It takes 2.1 seconds for the ball to reach the ground. So t will be 2.1 seconds. Is there any other data we've been provided with? Indirectly, yes. As it's dropped from a height, the initial velocity u will be 0. These are the two things we've been given: the time t and the initial velocity of the ball u. Coming to the questions, what will be its speed on touching the ground? When the ball just touches the ground, what will be its speed? What we've been asked for is the final velocity v. Given just u and t, how can we find the value of v? These were the three equations of motion, if you remember. Which of these three would give us the value of v in this problem? Yes, the first one. v is equal to u plus a times t. We have the value of u and t, but what about a? As the ball is dropping to the earth, a will be the acceleration due to gravity. And that's 9.8 meters per second squared. Substituting the values, we get v as 0 plus 9.8 meters per second squared times 2.1 seconds. We get the value of v as 20.58 meters per second. If we've to be precise, we say that the velocity at which the ball touches the ground is 20.58 meters per second downwards. In part B, we've been also asked for the height from which the ball was thrown. Which equation would help us get the height? It'll be the second one. For distance covered by the body, the height will be s here. This term will be 0 as u is 0. We get the height s as 1/2 times 9.8 meters per second squared times 2.1 seconds squared. Solving this will give us the height as 21.609 meters. The ball took 2.1 seconds to fall from this height. We just used the equations of motion to solve these examples. Would you like to try one now? Here it is. Try solving this one and tell us the answer in the comment section below. To know the correct answer, do watch our next video.